Supra. That thing's sweet. How you guys doing today? Good? Good. If you watched the last video, we're all riding together, all of our buddies, and two of them turned off, and Scally has Dur's phone. So we're headed back to get his phone. Yeah, I don't know, I'll bring you along for the ride though. This loud ass Kawi 300, that should be so loud, be popping and shit. But yeah, you guys gotta let me know, like, if you like group rides and shit like that. I mean, I do, they're fun. It's a whole bunch of hooligan shit, but it'd be fun. Hi, puppy. Trying to get it to pop. Thing's loud. That's what I'm saying, bro. I feel it in my chest. Really? It pops hella too. Dude, yeah, it burns like a bitch. Draws. Oh shit, you dropping the bike. Oh shit. Look at him, bro.
Photo. No. Hi. Okay.
So, you know, as long as I'm keeping them entertained, I'm hyped. I'm having a good time. Hope you guys are. Yeah, that's pretty much it, huh? Uh-oh. Where's his house at? Huh? Where's his house?
You gotta go all the way right by Broadview.
Okay.
It's gonna be on the right before Broadview. It's right before Duncan.
Okay. Damn.
Huh?
It's a damn.
I know. So I'm hoping he went there, because that's his grandma's. He might have went to his mom. I don't know.
Oh, is that his grandma's? Okay.
Yeah, I know where that is too. That's right by Andrew.
Yeah. Shee-hee! Oh, I love my baby. Yes, I do. Hey, shawty. Imagine picking up a MILF, a single MILF. You know how alpha you would be? You'd be like alpha of the alphas, dude. So we don't get that beta shit around here, dude. Get that shit out of here, man. Woo. 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 forgot what it's like sitting up here. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I would hate to be a girl sitting on the back of this shit. It'd be so uncomfortable. No, thank you. No, thank you, dude. How do you say that shit in Spanish? I'd be trying to learn, but I low-key be getting bored at work though. I'd be learning Spanish in the trailers. Here, let's see what I've learned. But like, all I'm trying to learn is the swear words. That's the only fun part of learning the swear words. I don't care to actually talk. I just want to learn to cuss at people in Espanol, eh?
What do you mean by that?
What?
My leg is burning.
Is it?
No,
Bro,
actually,
this shit's...
it's full from my bike.
Yeah, bad. Bro, what the fuck's up with your kickstand?
Huh?
Your kickstand.
I know, I actually got one.
Why?
What do you mean?
No, why is it like fucking...
It was always like that.
Shut up.
When I crashed, I bent it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, at least I got one.
At least he got one. Little Z06. I'll whoop your ass, boy. Oh, he's got a biddy. They look like Faisal's CBR 500. He got a little biddy on the back though. Oh, his thing's pretty fast for a fucking Cowie 300. I'm surprised. Maybe we'll do a little pool for you guys. We'll do a little pool. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm obviously gonna win, but like, I want to see how close he is. Maybe I'll give him a little head start. Skirt. Bro, whenever you want to go fast, something like, oh, I'm not even kidding, like 99% of the time.
Bro, I was like, what the fuck, right?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Like, everybody thinks it was that stop.
We need to go in second. I want to see how close you stay next to me.
What's that?
I want to see how your bike's pretty fast.
Dude.
We got to do a pool in second.
Back.
Okay. That's not bad, dude. That thing's quick. Yo, dude, this thing's pretty quick. I'm surprised. He kept up in the beginning. He's got some torque, but after that, I mean, obviously he's gonna fall off with ergonomics, knobby tires. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.